Welcome! We're going to do the product rule today. This is a super important rule in mathematics, one of the two big differentiation rules, and it's incredibly powerful. And maybe even better, it's also easy to apply with just a little practice. All right, let's do it. So, the product rule. It, of course, tells you how to take the derivative of a product of functions. So if f and g are differentiable functions and you want to take their derivative, the rule says you do f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. Now there's a sort of mantra that people often say as they're doing this. They think of f naturally as the first function and g as the second function. And when you want to do the derivative of their product, you do the derivative of the first one, leave the second one alone, and then you leave the first one alone and do the derivative of the second one. That's it. All right, let's do an example here. Let's do the derivative of x squared times x plus e to the x. All right, so this x squared, that's the first term, and the x plus e to the x, that's the second term. So the product rule says take the derivative of the first, so that's 2x, and leave the second alone, just copy it over. And then you leave the first one alone, so copy it over, and take the derivative of the second one. So that's 1 plus e to the x. And so that's the answer. That's the derivative. Let's try another example. We'll do d by dt, the function e to the t plus t to the minus 5 times t cubed plus 2t to the 10th. All right, so again, this first grouping is the first function, and the second grouping is the second function. And the product rule says take the derivative of the first, so that's e to the t minus 5, t to the minus 6, and then leave the second one all alone, t cubed plus 2t to the 10th. And then you have to do the second terms where you leave the first one alone, so that's e to the t plus t to the minus 5, and you do the derivative of the second one, so that's 3t squared plus 20t to the 9th. And that's the answer. All right, so that's the product rule. See ya.